Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I was not feeling my best. I am very tired. I am so tired that my eyelids are basically like malfunctioning. These are half open, honey. I'm here. Boy, these work so well. These are the Mentholatum acne patches and it's a Chinese brand. Look how nasty. I didn't want to like scare you. I thought I'll do something special for you and change them. Life-changing. Yes, I'm in my red hair dye shit from the last video. Wow. Here's the boiling tea for you, sis. Once a couple months ago, I dyed my hair with blackpink hair dye from the brand Hello Bubble. I dyed my hair with blackpink hair dye and it was the Lisa one that was kind of red. My hair was in the early stages so you couldn't even really tell the color, and then it started fading really quick, just like my feelings for my crush in 3rd grade. I freaking lied. I still have a crush on him. Matt Fitzgerald, if you know who I am, recognize me because not a lot changed. I don't know what's happening. I'm so tired. So like as I said, the color decided to let go of my hair follicles, just like everything else in my life. It left me stuck in this dilemma. Do I just face reality and let myself ponder on this experience? Or do I charge with action? So after a lot of thinking, 2 seconds, my mind was made up. I'm gonna dye my hair. I did not ask my hairstylist for permission. But you know, life's about taking risks and knowing that there will be a consequence. Yep. You know what? This is my 2nd time around and I know what to do. I am out of shape. You know, I go to sleep every night with Jenny looking at me. It makes me feel uncomfortable. I thought it's time to yeet her out of this room. So what better way than to use her hair dye. Gotcha. What? You can't tell here, but in natural lighting, my hair is very light. In fact, it's like so light. Like so light. And my roots are dark. It looks really brown on the box, but I know it'll be dark on me. I have a reason why I'm so fearful that it won't be dark, okay? Just hold on. I was so serious about this hair dyeing that I went to the store and bought a hair dyeing towel because I'm sick and tired of using my normal towels and then I'm confused whether or not it's period blood, blood from my heartbreaks, or just blood from my enemies. Like, I don't know which one it is. So if you can't tell, the theme of me is like dark. A dark towel. So here we are. I really need this to work out this time. Santa came early. Santa came early. Listen, Linda, in this bag, I recently bought this. Not really sure why I did it. Oh, my check. Oh my gosh, I gotta cash this. Oh my god. I made a very impulse decision to buy extensions, clip-in extensions. That's because I want thicker hair. By the time you're watching this, I'm like not in the country. I'm like in somewhere else. Oh my, no, it's fine. Technically, I have dark hair already. Yeah, and so technically should be okay. Honestly, I should be fine. It should turn out like this. We're gonna make this work and you don't stress about it. I'm at the starting line with 3 different colors, and if I end up with like 4 different shades of hair color on my head, you're gonna see a video of me updating that I'm going bald. Are we finally ready? First things first, take off your pants. Too hot. I'm trying to brainstorm how to make this process easier. Oh, I know. Gotta take off my glasses and put on some contacts. Do you like my new tripod? It's very nice. Ow! You just attacked me. Did my eye just reject my contact? This towel is so new that it still has the tag on it. I'm gonna leave it here. You know, sometimes I think I'm made up of 80% curiosity. This thing, nothing sticks. I want this color because I don't know why I got this color. But no, now Jenny's blonde and we could never. Sorry, but it's the truth. This is my current hair mess. Now you see what I'm talking about? Madam, do you understand now? I'm just as flustered and frustrated, okay? So we're on the same page here. That's cute. Welcome to the bathroom. Okay, how are we gonna do this? This is the VIP suite. Yes? Yes, because, you know, we need to go to bed. It's honestly 7. Oh my god, I'm ready. Linda, I really need to dye my hair. Let's just get to it. As we know, your girl has efficient hair loss, resulting to only needing 1 box. So we can save the other box. Just kidding. High hopes, guys. Stay positive out there. Okay. You know, life is all about learning from your previous mistakes. I make no mistakes. Unfortunately, I had to fake those mistakes because I fake all my content here, obviously. It's scripted. Everything's scripted. So yeah, I know exactly what to do this time. This is gonna be such a fast video. Pause. I'm pretty sure you can even double check. This video is like 3 minutes long. Because it's such a short video, I want you guys to like this video right now and subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell. Ding! How are you? I hope you're doing well. I hope 2019 is treating you amazing. Last time, I thought I was a genius. I was like, oh, easy, this. And then I read the comments and people were like, why don't you face it backwards since your hair is laying that way, you know? Stupid. Oh my god, genius. Why did I think of that? We're gonna try it your way, Miss I Know It All. Just kidding, that was my bad. Now, things get serious. We're just gonna put on these very fashionable gloves because we like to stay in trend all season and all year round. Directions who? We don't need that. We're adults here, we can handle this. As you can see, number 2 is right here and number 1 is right here. And here's the foam color. So you have these 2 packets, you wanna put it into this bottle. And then this, you wanna use in the shower. Lesson learned, honey. I can't believe we're doing this again. Like, I just can't believe it. Full circle 360. No, we're not doing that this time. I've been lying to all of you guys this whole time. I know it's hard to tell. I am a hairstylist. Again, I bought this off of YesStyle, so feel free to use my code if you want. YesStyle asked me if I wanted to partner up and do like a prom video. But I don't know if you guys want to see that because honestly, I'm short and I'm stubby, so I don't know if anyone can relate. Oh my god. I'm so sorry, but I really do get sassier when I'm tired. Well, you know how some people, they can either get really like moody when they're tired. Well, this is it. Be open-minded to my mood swings. Check. Coming for your brains. You better buckle down, Jenny. Jenny, can I call you Jennifer? Put the tube in. And then you want to swing this from left to right 20 times. 1, 2, 5, 9, 10, 20. Am I supposed to do this? Swirl, swirl? You probably shouldn't do this. Okay, I'm done, I'm done. I don't want any kind of dark explosions in here because I've already had that happen a couple of times. Not from me though, okay? From someone else. That was not me. I'm gonna, okay, maybe I'll split half and half. Are you following along? No, I'm not repeating myself. See this perfect line behind? Perfect, right? That's how perfect I am. Calm down. My jokes aren't serious. So you just squeeze. There we go. You're supposed to be white. You know, the fun part is that I don't really need to concentrate too much on my roots. Yes, I do. Surprisingly, last time I had like really black roots and I put like that red color on top and that red actually got on my roots. Wow, just wow. I guess there's just some kind of black magic in this, you know? We really need to focus on the ends. Wow, this time around we are just professionals. There's no fault in our stars. Do I need a second bottle? You know, I want to explore more hair dyes. I don't know if that's a good idea actually. I wanted to try the EXO ones. Should I? Maybe not. Let's have a serious talk. I think it's time we have a serious talk. This is just currently what's on my mind. You guys are like an open diary to me. Honestly, I haven't really been expressing myself, so you haven't been really getting a piece of it. I'm gonna say what I want to say. But seriously, I have not been feeling inspired to do anything. I know that you guys hear this so much from your favorite YouTubers, excluding me. Not that you don't hear it from me, I do say it's just that I'm not your favorite. Wow, I'm getting so serious. I really do feel like I'm lacking some creativity. I feel like I'm stuck. Before all this crept up to my feelings, I was actually feeling fine. But so suddenly, I got this gush of emotions.
I was in my feelings.
And I'm starting to feel like a failure. I'm not gonna lie. In the beginning of this year, I had this mentality of, I'm gonna do whatever the I want. I was happy with that and started to think, I don't know, am I reaching their expectations of me? Am I old now? Although, some people might think I'm very immature for my age, which is somewhat true. I'm a Gemini. If you guys don't know, Geminis, they stop growing at the age from 14 to 24, and I think I'm stuck at 14. That's my honest truth, but it's okay. It's not that we're immature, we just have young personalities. And can I clear something up? I know this is off tangent from what I was talking about. I don't like it that people think Geminis are two-faced. If you're not into horoscopes, of course that's what you'll say. But if you're actually into horoscopes, which I'm actually not, I've just recently started getting into it, but I'm not into it. I don't know. People think Geminis are two-faced. The thing is that Geminis are just very adaptable. There's a difference, okay? We're air signs. That's why you can see I'm just really good at going back and forth with myself. The funny thing is, a lot of signs think that we're two-faced, but what they don't know is that we're just 3 steps ahead at all time and all costs. We're just really good at knowing what's happening because most signs, they're kind of like here, no shade. But the Geminis, even though we're here, our mind is like 3 steps ahead. We come off as two-faced, but really it's because we know what's really coming. Basically, we can see through all that. Personally, you know, it's different with everyone because it really depends on you as a person as well. They either are hot or cold, which is true. I feel like my twin, it's either I'm very empathetic or I am savage. Yes, I think I'm savage. I can be. Seriously. Trust me, trust. You don't want to see that side. Thank you for listening to my TED Talk. Leave your sign down below. I really want to know. We're just going to split these hair back. Now you just want to hit the back. Hit it from the back. Oh no. No, 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 no. I'm feeling dry. I don't know what I'm doing. My hair feels like spaghetti. Come on. We could do a cute little knot today. Oh my god. Wow, if I was a boy, would I be cute? This is looking good. Boy. Please be dark. Please be dark. We are done. I prefer waiting for like an hour. I think the minimum is like 30 minutes. Am I the only person who loses so much hair? I have to wait like an hour and it's like 10 minutes in progress. I think we should vacuum. Oh, sorry. Bought these jeans from Hyde. Let's hope it fits.
Oh, all I wanna do is sit right here in my room in my favorite cozy blanket that reminds me of you. Shut the blinds and go back.
Now what? I bought this skirt from Reformation. Have yet to try it. Nice. Let's just watch YouTube videos. That's what I do best. Oh, VV had a new comeback. Thriller Killer. Oh. Boy doesn't have a shirt on. I mean, like, you don't have to ask. Yes, you are. He looked right into my soul. Oh my god. Oh, that part. I want to learn that. The gates are closed. The gates are closed. You can no longer join the VAV bandwagon. So sorry. Just kidding. You guys should check out the music video. Killer, killer. Yes. Therapy. Schedule therapy, guys. It's not what it looks like.
I'm sorry, baby.
Don't be, y'all. 1 hour. You know what time it is? It's time to shower. Okay, I really need to pee, so like, let's do this. Why does it look brown? It's okay. I look so flushed. I have not seen my hair. I low-key feel like I need to give myself a pep talk. I want to darken hair. You know what they say? Not about the journey. Wait, no, I lied. It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey. Oh my god, I'm scared. There are bigger problems in the world. But I spent way too much money on these extensions, honey. I'm nervous. I don't know what to say. This is the VTBTS Born Natural Sleeping Capsule Mask, and I'm literally out of it. I'm giving some away soon. Well, like one. I know this video is like everything. I have been so obsessed. I promise you, it's a little bit suffocating, but once your skin gets used to it, your skin will change. You're not even gonna feel the texture on your face anymore. It's gonna feel so flat, just like my butt. I love this body spray. Sometimes I like this more than putting on lotion. Has Photo 6 complex, a little bit of aloe vera. I like taking argan oil. I put this on overnight. I'm gonna link some of these products down below. Definitely this one, check it out. And it's on Yes Style, so you can use my code. Okay, am I excited? A little bit. Am I worried? Highly agree. Okay, so, oh my god, I'm trying not to like cause any drama here. Are you ready to see my hair color? Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like my root. What? Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna get so much trouble. I didn't know that these products have so much bleach in it or something. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? I thought this was gonna be just black and dark and brown. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just wanted dark hair. I did not want this to happen. What's happening? This is blonde. This is bad. Okay, blow dry my hair. Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
This is bad. I mean, honestly, this color's pretty if it was all throughout my hair. Is that the case for me? No. Jenny set me up. I just thought it was a simple, innocent hair dye. You know? Like, it was this moment that I realized I was defeated and the memories of my previous stage 3 hair color was no longer in life. I have failed. It's like I got multiple colors in my head now. Guess I'm going bald. What did I do? I have a couple razors in mind that I can use. I have no words. How do you expect me to match? Oh, well, no. I have like an ashy, black, bluish, grayish looking color on my ends. Totally wanted that for me. I still have that leftover reddish, but it's now infused with this weird, dark, ashy color going on here. Love that for me. Upward we go. We reach this very deserted island right on the left temple of my head. Welcome to the Bahamas. Now, if you will guide your way all the way to the right side of my temple, you'll see the Caribbean. There's a strip around this area. Please keep your seatbelts on and guide only your eyes. This is what I call a divided country. You can see the division in itself. Many layers of colors here. What can I absolutely do to fix this issue? Jennifer, why didn't you tell me? Friends tell each other things. I'm nowhere close to your dusty ash, honey. I would say give it a few days. I don't have a few days. I leave the country, remember? And this is what I have to go with? No. We're dyeing my hair black. It's not that deep. I get it. It's not that deep. Maybe we can just, you know, wear a cap. Oh my god. Wish me luck. That is the only resolution I have in my head right now. So I'm gonna go. I am so confused. So ashy in a weird way that it looks green. Oh my god. If I had this hair color, just this part, like all throughout, my hair would be nice. I'm sending love, bye. Update extensions. It doesn't blend. At first, I was like, we'll try to make it work and we'll figure a way to make it blend. You can totally tell. Oh my god, what is this? It's my fault. It is my fault. Oh my god, every time I do this, look how bad this is. I mean, granted, I'll have to curl my hair. I'm gonna have to go to the store. Please. It's kind of cute though. This was my hair the next following day in natural light. It's not cute and it won't do it. It won't cut it for us. So we gotta fix this and join me in part 2 if I document it. Okay, bye.